All right, so today I'm in the villa in Legian. My mate from Australia, Mick, maybe you know him. He was up here on the live chats as my moderator all the time. Here in this villa in Legian and wanted to show me around. So this is what you can get for approximately 2 million per night, or $200 Australian, or around 150 US. And we're gonna show you around. So today's video will be about the villa in Legian. And this is my mate, Mick, the person who was responsible for over 1.5 years, bro, for making my thumbnails, you know, the small pictures of the single video, my moderator for live streams.
That's
right?
me, that's me.
That's my good mate. How you doing?
Good, bro.
Okay,
really
let's have a look around the villa, and you can
do it.
say whatever you want about this place.
Let's do it,
Is this
man.
first time or already you stayed before?
This is the second time. We stayed here about 7 or 8 years ago, and it was, like, we just
Very
loved it,
nice,
so we had
right.
to come back.
All right, and the location is very convenient because it's very close to Jalan Nakula, which is already border between Legian and Seminyak, and it's very close to, you know, all the hotspots in Legian.
Yeah,
and
Dewi
Seminyak.
Sri is just over the back
Yeah,
there.
so cool. Okay, let's have a tour around the villa. This is the pool situation and the gardens, and let's get inside.
Cool, this is the, it's pretty big inside, like it's massive inside. We've got 3 people staying here at the moment. We have our friends from Bali and their kids come, so we can spend time in all different rooms. We can go upstairs, we can swim.
So this is the living room with TV. There is the Winnie here enjoying. Winnie have no microphone today.
So Mick is the actor now.
Yeah.
The star.
Say it again. Okay, let's go enjoy, Zayan. So this is like a table, dining table, the kitchen.
It gets a bit dark at this time.
Yeah, a little bit dark, but it's alright, no worries.
So yeah, the kitchen, big kitchen, Moo cooks sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah, on
Sometimes.
holiday, bro.
It's
so-
holiday, breakfast. That's
And
about
then there is like also garage. Actually, I'm gonna show you. There is the garage maybe at the end of the video.
Yeah. Oop.
Oh no, let's go now. Let's show it now. In case if you have a motorbike or car or something you wanna drive. Oops, so dark. You have to, you know, you have a garage secured by the gate and everything.
Secure, it's got enough room for a car, 2 bikes, and there's an entrance to the pool.
Oh, you have to separate the entrance. All right, let's get up now.
So this is the landing outside the bedrooms.
All right.
We've got, this is our room, this is like the second bedroom. We've given Jimmy, the guy that's staying with us, the main room.
Okay.
So we'll show that later.
And this is the balcony overlooking
Nice big balcony overlooking the pool.
the hood, the pool here. There are actually many villas around. This is not only yours, right?
This was being built last time we were here, there was nothing there.
All right, so this is all new villas. Oh, and you have a Somta
Got like a, I don't know what you call it, what would you call it in Balinese?
ballet,
Ballet.
which is like gazebo overlooking
Gazebo.
the... Yeah.
Sunset right there.
All right.
Beautiful sunset. We haven't been here yet because it's been raining most nights.
The sun is actually very sharp. So you have like a city-style villa. All right.
Cool.
Very nice, actually.
It's
Pretty
awesome.
cool.
This is the second bedroom that me and my wife have got because Jimmy's in the main room.
Oh, okay. Because we are with the friends, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right.
We don't mind having them in. There's 2 separate beds
All right. So cool.
together.
Yeah.
So.
With the view on the, I mean, when I'm facing, and the bathroom.
Bathrooms. I mean, this is a second bathroom. You got to remember.
Yeah.
So it's kind of small, but it's plenty. I mean,
Yeah.
I fit. Look.
Yeah,
So I fit.
no offense, but you're a big guy, and you can fit peacefully everywhere, right?
Beautiful. The other one's got a rain. We'll show you in a second. It's got a rain shower. So.
All right, so cool. So you have stuff like this one, and I'm gonna show you from the perspective of the living from the bedroom. Here we go. Pretty cool.
So this is the main room.
All right, let's get inside.
This is Jimmy's room.
All right,
It's a lot bigger. As you
and
can
this
see.
is his girlfriend in the picture.
This is his girlfriend and his other girlfriend.
Oh, they're very nice. I like the paintings.
Lucky boy.
actually. Lucky boy, yeah.
So this is it's actually got quite a large, like, bathroom. It's got a big bath in here.
Oh, this one is a little bit bigger, yeah?
Look at this.
Because this is the master bedroom, right?
That's right. So you get your bath. I'd be able to fit in this one.
All right, that's
Once again,
cool.
nice rain shower.
Yeah. So this is the window actually.
There's a
It's
window,
just-
beautiful view.
It's just the close, so the view is like this one, as you can see. It's
It used to
pretty
be actually
cool.
a bit of a better view before that.
So Mick actually said a few years ago when he was last time in this villa, this was just what was here, nothing.
Nothing. They were building it. There's a bit of bamboo. You know, they used bamboo instead of metal to build it. That was it. That was it. All this was nothing.
So you see the development of Bali, serious thing everywhere. The new villas, new constructions, and everything. But still, it's very nice, still enjoyable. Nothing to
Absolutely.
complain about. And this is one of the options what you can find here in Legian for this budget. In case if you're interested, well, this is not endorsement or something, but you can leave the comments. Mick will answer for details, right?
Sure will.
In case if you would like. Anyways, thank you so much. Today, very short and very informative. See ya, take care.